Connie from C&B Yoga, and I'm here with
Jessica, and I'm 9 years old.
and
Lara, and I'm 7 years old.
so these are my little helpers today, and we just want to show you a short sequence we are doing every morning to make our bodies a little bit happier. Sometimes we just get up and feel a little bit stiff. So there's a few things to warm up our bodies and stretch out our limbs. So let's get started. Come onto all fours and just lift your head, your chest, look forward. That's cow pose, and exhale round the spine. Inhale, stretch the tummy, look forward, and exhale, rounding the spine. Look towards your feet. Twice more here. Inhale, lift, big sniff, and exhale, round the spine. Last one here. Inhale, lift, and exhale, rounding the spine. Then from here, we're coming into a pose called extended puppy pose. So walk your hands forward and then bring your arms, your chest towards the floor, just stretching out here. Pressing your fingertips into the floor, maybe making spider fingers. Oh, nice stretch here. Few sniffly breaths. Ooh. And then walk your hands back and take your bottom, your booty back towards your heels. So we're coming to child's pose. Bring your arms around your sides. So just curling together like a little ball. Maybe rock from side to side here. Maybe just roll on your forehead. Oh, that's nice. Few breaths, stretching the back and coming back onto all fours. Hands underneath your shoulders, and we take the right foot back, just stretching the calves here. Yeah, also shifting the weight forwards and backwards. That's good. Giving it a good stretch. Oh, that's fine, Jessie. And then we are lifting the leg off the floor, holding balance, and we take the opposite arm, the left arm out in front. Hold, breathe. Oops, not a big problem. And coming back. Whew. Opposite leg, so the left leg stretch behind you, curl the toes under, and a nice calf stretch. Oh, that's good. So those muscles tend to become a little bit tight. So just rocking here forwards and backwards, and then holding still. Lift the leg, a bit like flying. Find your focus. And take the opposite arm to the front. Hold and breathe. Whew. Strengthening. That's like a bit like flying and coming back. Whew. So from here, take your right foot forward and just finding your bit of space. Again, just rocking here forwards and backwards, stretching the front leg. Oh, feels a bit stiff here. I don't know how this is happening. So, and then we take the foot back, so we shift the weight and we hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, we keep breathing, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we shift it forward and we drop the left leg towards the floor, holding here, so nice stretch here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take the foot back behind your opposite leg. Which one is this? That's the left leg forward. So again, just shifting here, rocking here, whew, just seeing what feels good. So we are always a little bit stiffer in the morning as we hardly move. Oh, and then shifting the bottom back, holding that, so we're lengthening the front leg, the left leg, and holding it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shifting forward. Bringing the right hip, that's the right hip towards the floor, stretching here and holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and coming back out. So we are coming into a pose called downward dog now. We curl the toes under and then shifting the weight back and up. Whew. Maybe walk your dog. So we say maybe walk your dog. So you just bend one leg, whew, and stretch the opposite leg. Whew. Maybe wiggle your neck from side to side. Maybe wiggle your booty. And then rolling forward into plank. Holding plank here. And then bring the knees down and lower the tummy back to the floor. Inhale, lift, mini cobra. And then pushing back into downward dog. Again, walk your feet. Maybe wiggle your bum. And then into plank forward. Hold. And bring the knees, chest, chin down. Rolling the shoulders back. Mini cobra and back up. Oh, the girls are faster than me. So then stay here for 2 breaths. Almost just hanging out here. Like a bit like a sloth, but just the opposite way. Breathing here. Whew. And one more time. Forward into plank. Bring the knees down, bring the tummy down. Whew. Rolling the shoulders back. Mini cobra. And coming back. So coming into pigeon pose. Jessica, which one? The right leg up towards the ceiling and then bring it forward. So knee towards your right hand and then shifting back. So folding forward. So just a bit like sleepy swan. So just taking a break here. Taking a few breaths here and counting again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, coming back out. Back into the doggy pose. And lift the left leg. Oh, a bit like weeing. And then bring the left knee forward. The right, shuffle the right leg down. And again, folding forward. Resting here. Whew. Big sniffly breaths. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and coming back out. So just sitting down here. So just turning around and having the left leg in. So just stretching here to the side. So taking the arm up and over. Oh, that's a nice stretch. And coming back out. So just lifting here, sitting nice and tall and leaning over for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and coming over, switching sides. So the left leg, oh, Jessie has the right leg, Laura's the left leg, and then coming out. Doesn't matter. Oh, hanging out here, coming back up again, lengthen and folding over for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and sitting cross-legged. Oh, so we finished the day. No, we finished not the day. We just started the day. Just giving ourselves some positive statements. So bring your hands onto your heart. Taking deep breath here. And Jessica starts with,
may I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I be strong.
Bring the hands together and namaste. Thanking you for yourself making time this morning. See you soon.